Okie dokie. G'day again, everyone. Thanks for joining us. This afternoon I have an American lock, series 1100. There's our key, so you can see a couple of zero lifts in 1 and 2 there. And I've opted for a gem this time. Cool. So those zero lifts in 1 and 2 essentially turn this into a 3-pin lock, which is why they're everyone's favorite greenbelt lock, I guess. Now I'll lock it back up. Shit out of the way. Key. Okay, key pins. And if you're familiar with American locks, you'll know that the key pins have serrations, except for this tiny little one here in number 3. I'll show you that later. 4 and 5. Okay, so driver 1, we have a serrated spool. Driver 2, serrated spool. Driver 3, serrated. Driver 4 is a serrated spool. Driver 5 is also a serrated spool. And get all our keys, bloody springs out. There we go, last one. Cheers. Alright, so essentially because of these 2 zero lifts, we're only working on pins 3, 4 and 5. Quick close up of the pins. So you can see the serrations in both the spools and the key pins, except for key pin 3 there. Okay, thanks once again for watching my video, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers, guys.